what do we have here? Looks like a big box. So you guys will remember that I told you that the Miata, Project Ugly M, had some bad seat upholstery. Well, this is the new upholstery. Let's get a look at it here that I ordered. This is one of the seat backs. Now, I wish this was leather. Actually, I wish it was fabric, but I couldn't find either one for the car. Looks pretty good. Imagine it's going to be a little warm to sit on. Looks like half-inch foam. Man, this vinyl is heavy, which is a good thing. Got a nice grain to it. Alright, let's get another piece here. That was a seat back. Forgive me, I'm doing this one-handed. This is another seat back. Now I'll actually do a video on the installation. Let me get one of the seat bottoms. Typically the seat bottoms will see the most wear. I'm sorry, those were the seat bottoms. This is the seat back. You can't see it, but it's perforated for the speakers, the headrest speakers. Here are the outer bolsters. Okay. This is tough to do one-handed. And these are going to be the little plastic rope inserts. Yeah. All right. It looks pretty good. It's got foam, feels good. It's got zippers in the headrest so you can work on the speakers just like the factory stuff does. Okay, so the next video for this, for Project M, we'll be putting these seats on. I gotta go pick up a pair of hog ring pliers. I can't find mine. But, let me see if there's anything else here. Now, if you need instructions on how to install these, yeah, it's just the other seat back. If you buy these, you need instructions on how to install them. They will mail them to you. It's not that difficult. It is a little time consuming. But the difficulty level, I would say, is probably, on a scale of 1 to 10, is probably a 6. It's really not that bad. I got these from a place, I got these off of eBay. They come in tan or black. I really would have preferred fabric, but they don't do fabric. And the name of the place that I got them from off eBay, let me see if I can pull it up real quick. Hold on. Okay, and purchases. Here we go. It is the name of the place is Diamond Mall. Diamond Mall. They have 21,581 sales, 100% positive feedback. And if this is typical of the quality of their work and the product they sell, I can see why. It looks, like I said, it looks pretty good. The stitching is nice. All right. Okay, so you can look for a how-to video for and these how-to videos that I'm going to do on this. A lot of your older cars, your Volkswagen Bugs and stuff like that, use hog rings and various other fastening methods, but they're all very easy to work with. You just have to pay attention to what you're doing when you pull it apart to know how it goes back together. So I hope you guys will be patient with me. It'll probably be a week before I can get this done and get that video up as well. So that's it, guys. Y'all be safe, and thanks for watching.